In the First World War and for the first time.
Hey, this is Deep Buckle coming from 360 Sound and Vision.
To fight against
Right now we're in Soho, world famous Soho, and right now we're modeling our new fashion line. We have a spring and summer collection coming out, and actually we have the best t-shirts coming out, and the best men's sweaters, and the best men's bags. Definitely go to the website and check that out. 360soundandvision.com. You know how we do it in New York City.
In the Battle of Iraq,
you know, so go to that page and check it out and cop that fashion, because you know, if you ain't independent, then you dependent. Peace out.
Martians had no resistance to the bacteria in our atmosphere to which we have long since become immune. Once they had breathed our air, germs which no longer affect us began to kill them. The end came swiftly. All over the world their machines began to stop